massage, and today's Tuesday Toes Day tip is a reminder on how to do draping for Ashiatsu, especially with a blanket since it's a little colder outside now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is stand straddling your client facing their feet, and I always fold the sheet down to where it would be about even with their SI joint, but before that you have to get this big bulky blanket out of the way. So what I've been doing is I'll fold that blanket in half and get it on the side of their body that we're not massaging. It's a little cut on the table there. So I'll fold it over, and that's starting to add weight to the whole pile of linens here. And I'll fold the whole section of the blanket and the sheet down to be even with their SI joint. And then I start to make paper airplanes like origami. You fold one corner in and then fold it in again. And then I might need to take a longer step down so that I can flip it in between their legs. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll kneel a little bit. If you can see my shin right there, I'm sort of kneeling on her sacrum to anchor the sheet in. And I bend her knee. I'm gonna lift her leg and pull the sheet under and around and then put her back down again. So it's kind of anchored there. And then you've got the weight of the blanket on the other side to hold the whole thing down. And now I have this whole side of her body that I can massage at without the sheet getting in the way. So I hope that helps. And that's it.